Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm really excited to try out this brow gel in clear from the brand TYNT. I think this brand is called TYNT, but I'm not familiar with this brand. I hadn't heard of them before, but I chose this product for my August 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag, which if you have not seen my unbagging video of that yet, I'll have that linked in the description down below. But I love brow products and I love trying out new brands. So I was looking this brand up and it looks like they have a lot of beautiful products. I really love the aesthetic of this brand. And this is the full size. It cost $14. It's kind of small in my opinion for that price point, but it's cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, non-toxic, and gluten-free. And it says that this is supposed to add volume for fuller, well-defined brows, which sounds very intriguing to me. So here is what it looks like. Let's check out the applicator. Not my favorite type of applicator. It's a little bit big and the spiraling brush bristles are not my favorite types of bristles. I just feel like it gets a little messy, but I'm gonna try my best. Here you can see what that wand looks like. And I'm looking funny right now because I only filled in one of my brows, but when I review brow gels, I like to test it out without my brow pencil and with my brow pencil because on a daily basis, I fill in my brows with a pencil and then I top them off with a brow gel. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the brow without any pencil in it. I feel like it definitely like shows up on the brow. It adds like a kind of wet gel look to the hairs. And the wand is working fine. I feel like it's getting all of the brow hairs and it is not leaving clumps of product. So I think this is good. And it does look natural. Like I don't think that you can tell that I have brow gel in. Like it doesn't look like there's any product. So that's good. We'll let it dry down and see the texture and see if it's crumbly or anything like that. But I like how that looks. Let's see how it would look with my brow pencil. Yeah, I like that it does define the brow hairs because of how it seems to coat them in the gel and therefore makes them a little bit more volumized, like it says, and a little bit like darker just from making them look a little bit wet. So that's looking really good. It didn't move the brow pencil and I really like how it did kind of texturize the hairs. I also feel like it has a little bit of sheen to it as well because of that like gelled wet look to the brow hairs and I like that. So now let's see, now that it's dried down. Wow, I love that it has such a flexible feel. It's not at all crunchy, so it's not crumbling and like I have easy movement of my brows, but it is very secure hold. Like my long brow hairs are not budging. It's funny how picky I can be with just a clear brow gel, but I really am particular and you can hear all of the things I'm talking about that I don't want in a brow gel, and this is seriously exactly what I do want. That emphasis to the brow hairs, that comfortable, flexible hold, but a strong hold because I have very long brow hairs that can get really unruly, but I think it looks great. This will definitely make its way into my daily brow makeup routine. So yay, I'm so excited about this and very excited to try out more products from this brand, hopefully. So if you've tried out any other products from the brand TYNT, definitely let me know your recommendations in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.